Hello my friends. Have you ever had a toilet that keeps running? Better catch it. Okay, there may be some noise because there's a fan right here. So, sorry, but oh well. I want to show you what to do if you have a toilet that keeps on running. You might want to catch it. Okay, so here we are. It's just running and running and running. Now, I may do another video showing you how to know if your toilet is leaking. So basically, you may not understand the concept of how this works. So this thing may fill up with water, and then when you flush this, it may come down and flush, and when you do this lever, it may come down and go. But the reason it is running is because this is stuck. Pick it up higher. Because this right here is like stuck up. It's stuck up. Oh, that's not good to be stuck up. Okay, so here we go. If I just go like that, bam! It's going to stop. Now, maybe the chain needs adjusted, but for some reason it was kind of stuck up there. It's stuck up. Okay, so maybe maybe the chain could be adjusted, something, whatever. But for anyways, if you want to make your toilet stop running, you can kind of go in and push that down, and that, my friends, is it filling up the water now? Here we go. Ha! I didn't push it down far enough that time. Okay, so you may need to replace that every now and then, but it's good to not have a toilet that's stuck up and it doesn't keep running. So here we go. It's filling up, filling up, filling up, and maybe I'll just go ahead and like let it kind of fill up and do the whole flushing thing and let you see. Maybe you care, maybe not. But that's how to make your toilet stop running. So is you can kind of push that down, and if you adjust this chain right here, maybe you can kind of do it, help it, maybe not, maybe you need to replace it, but anyways, that should be the cause, and that's the way to stop it. So if you want to flush the toilet, this is kind of cool. Okay. So it's about to that line. It's about to that line. It's probably going to stop here soon. So let me go ahead and okay. So when you want to flush the toilet, let's see if it stays up. It might stay up, and I can just push it down again. There we go. Yeah. Maybe it'll come down on itself. So it looks like it's doing a double flush, and down it goes. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay, cool. Awesome. Awesome, my friends. You are amazing. You are very special. Thank you for watching this. If this was helpful to you, can you please take and smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. I love you all. You're amazing. And someone by the name of Jeff. Yes. Everyone, Jeff, God has a purpose for your life. He loves you. God loves everyone, but Jeff, he wants me to let you know. So I love you all. You're amazing. God loves you. Thank you for watching. Bye.